Spine straight, close your eyes, take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in, hold it there. Oh. 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 Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacha Malam Sharirasya Cha Vaidyakena Yopakarotam Pravaram Munina Patanjalim Pranjaliranatosmi. Pranams to the Lord, pranams to all the Mahatmas in today's class. So we are going to start a new journey today called as Gunitaksharas. So far we completed how to write the swaras. What are swaras? Swayam Rajate, which exist independently, which don't need a support. Vyanjanas, which actually stand with the support of a swara. They are not independent, which we'll gradually learn why it is so. And then today we are going to do the Gunitakshara. So when we are doing the Gunitakshara, this Vyanjana, how it is not independent, how it is associated with the vowel that what we have learned so far, we will be seeing. So far, any doubts anyone has between Swara and Vyanjana, any alphabet pronunciation, anyone is not clear about it, can unmute and ask right away if anyone is not clear about it. All clear? Okay, so then let's commence a new journey from today. That's
Guruji, Avanti is having some doubt. It seems she lifted her hands.
You can unmute and ask, please. Yes.
Yeah, so with the bha akshara, I thought the line, the shirorekha goes across. It doesn't go across, is it?
No, it doesn't go across.
I thought for all letters it doesn't.
So, no, see, for bha,
right,
when we are doing this, so we are doing like this.
Okay.
It happens like that for dha also.
Okay.
It doesn't go full. It happens for ya also.
Okay. Okay, yeah, thank you.
Okay. Sorry, because in my screen, I'll not see everyone. So if you have not raised your hand, if you have raised your physical hand, I'll not be seeing. So, but if you use that option of raise hand button, then it's easy. Anyways, and now we'll go ahead. Okay, so is the board clear? Should be. Okay. Use a darker pen. So what we have learned is in your notebook, open the book in this fashion, where you get the left, right, both sides of the page. Okay. Then, first column, you keep an empty space. I'll tell you what you have to write over there. The second column onwards, you will write about, I'll tell you, first don't write, I'll tell you how many you can write in this side page. So we are going to write a, I, I, U, R, R, Lu, we don't write. A, I, O, Au, Aha. So we will need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what we are going to do is in your book, which you are going to open up like this completely, where you get both the sides of the page. First column, this would be your probably the upper margin. This would be your side margin. Apart from that, leave this one. And then from here, you write up till like this. O, A, E, U, R. This much only you write. And then R, A, I, O, I think that should be correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because we need one space over here. Okay. So till here you write on one page and the other one you continue. Those many columns you would need. First one is your margin and the other one is a blank column. Okay. So you're spacing very nicely. There's a good space in that. Okay. Done. Now what happens? The column where you have left that space. Okay, so this is how your page is appearing for you. This is your margin. This was your upper margin. Then you just leave a nice comfortable line over there. Don't write immediately.
Next R, there should be some small C down a little. R. That okay, I can't see that. Thank you, Ji.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Very good. Wow. That's very good. So don't stick immediately. You can leave that line and you can give a good space. Don't stick immediately on that line. Leave that line. In that margin, you're going to write the first consonant is K with a halanta. Just a minute. Okay. So basically, all consonants exist like this. They don't have any vowels into it. So this particular sign, when we do, this sign is called as halanta. Halanta means that alphabet is half. It means that it doesn't have any vowel into it. So all consonants originally are in this state. All consonants are in halanta, half state. So the first consonant what we learned is K. This K without the A. So if we mix A into that, then only we get the consonant what we have learned is K. So this what we learned is actually in K, A is mixed, then you get K. So basically, we can put the equation K plus A is equal to K. This we have to be very clear. This whole alphabet, whole consonant comes only with a mixture of vowel into it. This is very, very basic and very, very crucial. Okay. Now, what happens? I'll leave this for a while. When in this k, a goes, what happens is we write that k and then we put one line in front of it. Then it becomes ka. So k plus o is k, k plus a is ka. So when k plus a, we get ka. So the sign for that is after an alphabet, we have to make this to get a. Okay. Now, k plus small e. K plus e will be ki. Sorry. K plus e is ki. How do we write that? So, we write our k and then behind it, we do this sign. So, this is ki. So, k plus small e is equal to ki. This is the sign for it. Now, what happens? We have to go with double matra. E. Dirgha sound. So, same curve we write. And this time, this sign is this side. So, from that center, we go like this. So, this becomes ki. So, k plus e is equal to ki. Okay. Now, next alphabet. K plus u, small u. So, we write that same k and below it, we do like this side, like this. So, that gives u. So, k plus small u is equal to ku. So, if this is the alphabet, it is this side. This sign under the alphabet is U. Okay. Now, let's go ahead. All are with me, right? Nobody is behind, right? Everybody is writing along with me. Okay. If any problem is there, please stop me anytime. If you think I'm going fast, if you're not seeing, if you're not understanding, please unmute yourself and ask your doubts anytime. Okay. Now, next is the long U. So, k plus u. So, we continue writing that k. And now this same sign we do it inverted. Means this was like this, right? So, now this goes like this. So, under it, like this. This is ku. So, k plus u is equal to ku. Dirgha sound. Rasva, dirgha. Now goes the R sound. R, K plus R, Kr. So our K continues and we write like a C below it. So this is Kr, like in Kripa, Kr. Oh, so just a C under it. Kr. Kr. Now, K plus R. So this will go double C. So we write that K, one C, and immediately next C. Double C under it without lifting the pen. So 1, 2. Dirgha sound. So I'm going to erase this part over here so that I can fit. K plus R, Kr. K plus R, Kr. Okay. Now, next sound. K plus A. K plus A, K. A, on A comes A. On K, if A will come, K. So how do we write? K plus A, K. K we write. On that we put one slanting cane. This is our K. So this line and this should touch. The K line and the cane has to touch. So this is our K. K plus A, K. Okay. Then K plus I. K plus A, K. K plus I, Kai. Kai. So we put that same K. And on top we do 2 lines, 2 canes. So never to confuse. So people normally confuse between A and I. So this today you somehow keep it nicely in mind because most of them make spelling mistakes over here. This is A. This is I. So when we are writing A and I, on a I it is coming as a single line. So people think this is I. No, this is A, K. And on A, when the line comes, then it is becoming I. So then we get 2 lines, Kai. So this somehow you have to remember. One is A, other is I. A, I, K, Kai. Single line, double line over the head. K, Kai. Now comes O. Very simple now. So just have to make K and that Oki sign. That's all. I can try it over here. Aiki sign. Oops. So Oki sign is like this. Now you can guess Auki sign. Auki sign will be like this, like Au. So 1 minute. I'll reduce the size of my alphabet over here. Kai, ko. Now, cow. So, you write ka, ka, ko. One more line. Cow. Cow. Ko is one single. Cow are two. So how it goes over here, I'll show. K plus O. Ko. K plus O. Cow. Now, very easy. On A, there is a dot. We said So on K, if you put a dot, it is going to become come. Come. And after A, there is a dot. It is aha, visarga. So after K, there will be a dot. It will be kaha. Till here, it was swaras. These are not swaras. These are anuswara and visarga. This anuswara and visarga can come on any of this. I have taken example of ka. So I'm saying kam kaha. I can put it on ka. I can say kam. Kaha. I can put on ki. Kim. Kihi. Ki. Kim. Kihi. Kum. Kuhu. Kum. Kuhu. Krum. Kruhu. Krum. Kruhum. Came. Kehe. Kai. Kai. Keha. Kaim. Kaihi. Ko. Kom. Koho. Kaum. Kauhu. So this anuswara and visarga can fit into all. They are not over here. Our swara part ends. This is anuswara visarga, giving example of the first alphabet ka. So we are saying kam kaha. But this anuswara and visarga can fit into all, and accordingly kehe or kuhu or kihi, that visarga. How to say the visarga after ki? How to say the visarga after ku? How to say visarga after ko? These are different. Or after ke. Kihi, kuhu, koho, kehe. So the sound of the swara, it is catching. Aha, because aha. So you will find kaha. So kaha, aha, kaha, aha, ka, kaha, kihi, kihi, kuhu, kuhu. So according to the swaras rasva or dirgha, the visarga pronunciation also has to change. This becomes very crucial when we are doing shlokas. So if a shloka is ending, let's say sthitaha, after ta the dot is coming, then we are saying sthitaha. But if after ta the dot is coming, then sthitaha. So that we'll have to be careful in chanting. So if the concept is clear, then the chanting is clear. Vaya pronunciation, because it is the swara that is getting the shape. This is not a swara. This is anuswara. And this is a visarga. Swara part has ended over here. Any doubts so far? All clear? Yes. Unmute and ask.
That I just that is completely new. You know, the curve with the double C. So that would be what example of a word like kra is krupa, right? So
So kru example is not there, but na will have an example. Nrinam will come.
nrinam.
Even alphabet wise, alphabet example is not there, but ru alphabet will be rishi. But this dirgha alphabet is not there. Yes, I can see one more hand raised. Unmute and ask your doubt, please.
Yeah. The half ka and ku. There is only one. How do we differentiate half ka and ku?
Oh, big difference. See, ka is like this line,
Okay.
one slant line. This is only one slant line. This is our k half. But this is having one big curve.
No, the other way. Just like ku.
Okay, so this is also having one another same. This see?
Okay.
And this is only a line. And this is like this.
Okay.
Big difference.
Thank you, Guruji.
Any more questions? All clear? Okay, so now let us chant. Ka, ka, ki, ki, ko, ku, kr, kr, ke, kai, ko, kau. These are permanently dirgha. So you can't say ke sound. There is no ke sound. These are permanently, because we saw in our these are two matra sounds. So always in a shloka, if these ke, kai, ko, kau comes, they should always be held longer. You can't say a small eki matra, because eki matra small is not there only. Two matra sound it is. So ke, kai, ko, kau. This much only we'll have to give that time. And then kam, kaha. All clear? Pronunciations clear? Now let's try one more. Then we will be very clear about whether we have understood it or not. So the Mahaprana we are going to take now of K is K. This I didn't write. Okay. So now leave nice one entire line. You don't stick it. Leave that full line and then do K. Okay. So let's start. K plus K. K plus A. Ha. See, again, I have not struck it whole, right? It's over here. I hope you all are noticing. K plus E, ki. Over here, it is coming full, no choice. K plus E, ki. K plus U, ku. K plus U, ku. Do I have to slow down? K plus R, kr. K plus R, kr, k plus a, k, long sound, k plus I, khai. So we don't say k, k. It's not like that. K, khai, full matra. 2. Kho, khau, kham, khaha. Kham, khaha. Kham, khaha. Kim, kihi. Kim, kihi. Kum, kuhu. Kum, kuhu. Krum, kruhu. Krum, kruhu. Kem, kehe. Kaim, kaihi. Kom, koho. Kaum, kauhu. Kamka. Okay, that is our Anuswara. All clear? Any doubts? Okay. Now I will wait for 5 minutes. I'll not write on the board. You all do the alphabet G. And when you write, chant like how I have done. G plus G. G plus A, Ga. Chant like that and complete your chant. Don't look at the board. Do it on your own. And chant loudly. Loudly means with your muted mics, but loudly for you.
Varsha ji, ik
Ji.
plus a, kha or kha? How you are telling?
Ka.
Kha.
Dirgha sound. Ka.
Kha. Okay.
Ka. Ka.
Kha.
Ki. Ki.
Okay, Guruji.
All done? Okay. Who wants to volunteer to read? Okay. Yes, Avanti, you can start.
One question quickly. All this ka, kha, ga with the thing is called what? Halanta, is it?
Halanta. Halanta.
Halanta. Okay. So ga, ga, gi, gi, gu, gu, gr, gr, ge, ge, gai, go, go, gum, gah.
Perfect. Anyone else wants to volunteer? Anyone who is not clear? Yes, please go ahead.
G, ga, gi, gi, gu, gur, gr, gr, ge, gai, go, go, gum, gah.
Very good. Anyone else? Avanti, you have a question? You have a doubt? No. Okay. I saw your hand raised, so I'll lower it. Okay. Any more questions? All clear? Okay. So now homework will be to write the g sound and take a picture of all these sounds and post, because I have not seen now what you have written in the notebook. So I'll have to check that. And for the g, you will give the audio sound. The first three we have done. G, you will write and audio sound for the g, but picture of all. And the ng sound is there, right? The next alphabet, the Anunasik. So we can sing, but we can't sing off the Anuswara and the Anuswara on top. So that alphabet, we are not going to do the Gunitakshara, because it will not make sense of doing Anunasik's Anuswara. Okay. So with this, we are going to complete the Ka Varga. Next class, we will do the next Varga. But you don't practice home the next what is not taught. You practice home only the Ka Varga. Gha is a homework. Rewrite again everything and send all the 4. But audio will be of Gha, so that I hear the sound. Gha is a Mahaprana. And how you all do the Rasva Dirghanya Anuswar. Okay. Any questions so far? Actually, they are finishing 5 minutes early. So all have learned fast. All clear, that means? Great. Fine. So we'll end this session for today. And then I will open the group on Friday. But if anyone has any questions, you can just direct me in the personal mailbox. The group will open on Friday to receive the Ka Varga's Gunitakshara and audio for the G. No need to do for the Anunasik, because that Anunasik itself is like a dot. So we can sing, but we cannot say the Anuswara and Visarga for it. But for not to confuse, we will not do that. Okay. So with this, let's end today's session. Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Oh. 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 Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Hari Om. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Hari Om, everyone. Just one small announcement. Tonight we have Gunitakshara. So this is something one of its kind. Normally, we are all familiar with how Antakshari is played, the last alphabet, and probably some film songs we take and all. But this is going to be a Gunitakshara where with Gita verses, it's going to be played. And it's going to be the third pada's first alphabet will be the clue. So that's something very unique. Like if we have the verse Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yuyutsavaha Mamaka Pandavaschaiva Kimakurvata Sanjay. So in this verse, Mamaka is a third pada's first. So the clue for the next team would be Ma. So that person has to say the verse from Ma. And like this, the game will go on. So to watch the game, to encourage the team, if you have your favorite teams watching them, you want to cheer them, please do join. I have posted the flyer. It has the Zoom ID and the password to join in. Please do join. So Singapore time 7:45, it will begin. Hari Om. Thank you.
Hari Om Varsaji.
Hari Om,
Hari Om ji.
Ashwiji. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Grateful.
Hari Om.
Thank you very
Hari
much.
Om. Hari Om
My
Varshaji.
pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you.
Hari Om Varshaji. Thank you.
Hari Om. Thank you, Steve.